Papunta na tayo ng Taiwan. Medyo bang pag pinagtulog kaya kasi standard here. Thank you. From this schedule arrival here at Taiwan International Airport. And for now, I'll just collect the things natin online which are essential para sa travel. And see you later. Help me. Nakuha ko na rin yung MRT card ko and nakapag-change na rin ako ng Philippine peso to yung Taiwan dollars. For now, loloadan ko lang yung MRT tapos try na natin yung loloadan ko lang yung EasyCard tapos try na natin yung MRT. Dahil andito tayo ngayon sa New Taipei Industrial Park and mali yung nababaan, like dapat dun sa 2 stations before, so tatawid tayo dun sa kabilang side and dun tayo sasakay pabalik. Okay, hopefully tama na yung ginagawa natin and yeah, balik tayo ng Taishan Goenhe Station and yun yung nearest station malapit din sa binuntong Airbnb. And sobrang excited ko nang makauwi kasi antok na ako and pagod na pagod ako. Let's do this. Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Xiexie and medyo kagigising-gising ko lang ngayon dito sa may Airbnb ko sa Xinzhuang District, New Taipei City. Medyo napuyat kasi ako sa naiya kasi I arrived like mga 8 hours prior to check-in. So ayun, medyo kailangan ko bumawi agad ng lakas tsaka ng tulog. This may be a long trip, like 12 days po ito. 12 days po ako nandito. Pero this is ultimately and entirely for travel and leisure purposes lang. So, prior to that, I made an itinerary para yung mga pupuntahan ko sobrang latag, sobrang pulido, and parang may checklist na rin ako sa mga magagandang places dito. So, ayun, if you guys are interested to know which places I'll go to and kung ano mangyayari sa buhay ko dito for 12 long days, you guys should watch the video. Marami itong videos.
6 hours later.
Ayan, so ngayon nakalabas na tayo ng compound and lakad-lakad lang. Check natin kung ano yung makikita natin. Ayan, sa left merong 7-Eleven, tapos on the other side, pagtawid mo merong Family Mart. Parang nakita ko na yung night market-ish dito sa Xinzhuang District. And let's see. Good morning! It's day 2 here in Taiwan, and for this morning, I'll be participating sa isang historic walking tour organized by local Taiwanese tour guides, pero they speak in English. Mag-meet na lang kami around 10 a.m. sa may MRT Longshan Temple Station. Ready na kayo? Tara! You enter with your left. According to the tour, if you are a girl, you enter with your right foot forward, while if you're a guy, you enter with your left foot forward.
For you. So here I have two. One of them is 百年好合, and 百年好合 is something like together forever, like you will be together for 100 years or something. Okay, and this one right here is 姻缘花开. So in our culture, we refer to relationships or love as flowers, and so this is kind of like relationship flower blossom.
Hey guys, we're back here at Xiexie Memorial Hall, and as you can see, andito sa right side ko yung National Concert Hall, while sa left side ko andito yung National Theater. And kapag umikot naman tayo, ito yung Xiexie Memorial Hall. Aakit tayo dyan para mas masaya. Going upstairs, merong 84 steps. Tapos merong additional 5. Pagkaakyat mo kasi merong 5 steps papunta dun sa mismong platform. So it sums up to 89 years. He lived for 89 years. Where in 37 years dun, he served as yung president ng Taiwan. And that's it. Dito na natatapos yung walking tour namin earlier sa Xiexie Memorial Hall. And since marami pang time, mahaba pa yung araw, according to my itinerary, my next agenda would be to go sa Taipei Botanical Garden. Actually, gusto kong puntahan yung National Museum ng Taiwan kasi it's near Taipei Botanical Garden. Pero unfortunately, it's undergoing a 3-year rehabilitation. So, ang hazard. So, ayun, 3 years siyang from 2018 to 2021. Pero, nonetheless, I'm expecting so much sa Taipei Botanical Garden as a former forestry major. And sobrang nag-enjoy kasi ako sa mga ganong places, sa mga ganong sceneries. So ayun guys, malapit na tayo and sobrang nakakapagod. Sobrang grabe, pawisan na rin ako pero 'di ba? At least makinis. Tapos andito sa may right side ko, ito. Ayan yung National Museum of History. Unfortunately, inaayos talaga siya kaya hindi siya open for viewing ng public, pero by 2021 hopefully malay nyo bumalik ako. Look at these kids, ang cute nila. Diba, ang dami nila, tapos ang cute nila, naglalaro lang sila. Sana all walang problema sa buhay. Pero ayun, I don't know if you guys would enjoy it here, pero may mga nakita rin akong parang nature enthusiast or nature photographers, especially dun sa may greenhouse side. Andun yung maraming species of plants, and tingnan niyo si Lolo. Diba? Sana lahat kaya magpapayat. Pero ayun, if you guys visit Taipei Botanical Garden, open lang pala siya from 8 in the morning till 6 p.m. So yun, after nito lalabas na ako and I'm heading to Nanjichang Night Market para sa early dinner. Hey, sup guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa may Xiangshan Park and we are heading to Xiangshan Trail, kung saan sa end nun or dun malapit yung entrance paakyat ng Elephant Mountain. If you guys are planning to go sa Elephant Mountain, I have 3 tips lang. First, to wear comfy shoes kasi sobrang taas nga, so nakakapagod, mananakit yung paa nyo. Second is to take breakfast, kahit light lang, para naman hindi kayo ma-drain agad or mawala ng energy. Tapos, and lastly, according kasi din sa mga vlogs na napapanood ko, medyo malamok paakyat. Not sure ngayong tanghali kasi it's like 12 noon. Pero as much as possible, mag-apply na rin kayo ng off lotion para for safety. I heard sobrang ganda ng taas and it would provide you a greater view ng Taipei City and most especially ng Taipei 101. So, magpapakapagod muna ako and update ko kayo when I get there. Bye! Ana, sinabi mo, yaan naman kita. Grabe. Nakakapagod. Medyo pagod na ako. And medyo malayo na rin ba? I don't know. So, dito tayo ngayon sa isang platform where you guys can take a photo. Hindi siya yung pinaka-peak pero it's a great scenery na rin. isang pepper bun, it costs 55 new Taiwan dollars. So that's roughly 80 to 90 pesos. Okay, this one, it tastes spicy, sobrang crunchy. Yung sobrang init niya talaga. And maraming meat, promise. You guys should try this. Again, this is Xiexie reminding you, walang mali sa paglaban, may mali